His confidence not sky high.
But the previous
one run. Ball in! Well done, Bumra! Butler, the danger man's gone. Moisture in the air has ensured that it hasn't. Also settled, there'll be plenty of views of Bumra, whether we'll have dot ball to start with. The dangerous player Nasser. Butler was so much to look forward to. Butler hasn't quite got going. He's had a couple of innings. His confidence is not sky high. Bumra as well. One-day series economy rate of 7.86. He's under some pressure as well.
And I think what has taken his time, he's hurrying a little too much. But that's how you control situation as a bowler.
He's missed it. Another dot ball. Bumra at his best.
Yeah, now they're bowling how they should have bowled throughout. All the seamers. Seam is harder on here. England know it. England did it themselves. Change of his pace off. Just sits in that surface. Now Root was comfortable while Stokes was there. Butler's trying to get...
Required rate now 11.14. Misses again. Keep a watch on the required rate. This is T20 cricket. Keeps changing quickly. It's 12 now.
And no one knows that bet's to get it across to Butler. The rate is up at 12. England for the first time in this T20.
Yeah, saw in that extreme slow motion the bat actually moving in his hands, so there was no timing really. Edge of the boundary. Bumra. Could be a dot ball. Yes, wicket gone. More importantly, dot ball. And although Butler has
got Joe Root there, just Butler had nearly crossed by the time the finger had gone up. Was there an inside edge on that? That's why he's cross. Kohli got away with one earlier where he was plumb. Joe Root does not get away with that. He should have been given not out. He's got to go. And Moeen...
What a match this is turning out to be. Pressure.
Bat on ball, Moeen Ali.
Side coming closer to keep him on strike. Slow delivery, bottom edge. Get a single, but Butler is on the strike. 7 needed from 4 balls. Yes, inside edge onto the pads. That's why Root was a little upset there. Importantly for India, it was a dot ball. Big inside edge.
Unlucky for Joe Root. Actually, it's going to be really decisive. It's the sloppy work by KL Rahul in the last over in the deep. He conceded 2 runs, which meant Butler got back on strike and he hit the final ball for a 6.
7 needed of 4. Letting Bumra to bowl round. Butler is the man on strike, the danger man. Mistimed. Misses. It's a dot ball. 7 from 3 now needed for England.
That slower ball is it. Just can't delay long enough. He's through the shot.
Virat Kohli is at long off.
I think leave the bowler alone. He's doing a fine job.
Ball in! Well done, Bumra. Butler, the danger man's gone.
And being unpredictable. Very pick his slower ball. And he goes quicker. Just skidded off low, bowled off the pad. 3 beautiful deliveries. What an over this is turning out to be. The danger man Butler's gone for 15. 138 for 6.
One run. England leads. Jordan hasn't faced any. Moeen Ali just the one. Misses. Well done, Bumra. And it's very rare to see Dhoni miss the stumps. What you have now is 6 runs of the last ball. What a match.
Kohli was desperate for Dhoni to hit the stumps. Dead-eyed Dick that is Dhoni. Often he hits the stumps. He practices so... Another slower ball, another batsman threw the shot early, just dying on the pitch. Dhoni misses by a distance.
And very often you'll see Mahendra Singh Dhoni with just the one glove. But the previous delivery, now he's got one glove on, but the previous delivery had both his gloves on, so that makes it even more difficult for it to direct it. Good slow delivery bowled by Bumra. You see Dhoni with both gloves on, and he's always well prepared with one glove, not this time around.
Great stuff from Bumra, just 23 years old. Skills as well as keeping his head.
Bumra has had no ball problems in the past. Get your foot has worked.
The leg side boundary is pretty big, so he actually can be shot into the body.
Misses it. India wins. Bumra has done it for India. KL Rahul got 70, but have a look at Bumra's bowling in the depth. Virat Kohli is fired up, and what a win this is for India. Just got 144. The due set in, nothing much for the spinners, but the seamers do it for India. Ashish Nehra and then Jasprit Bumra. Last over, just 2 runs, 2 wickets, a dot ball to finish, and India won by 5 runs. What a performance.
Jasprit Bumra, who's literally won this game for India. 4 overs, 14 dot balls, and 2 wickets. 2 wickets in the last over when it really mattered. A real match winner. And he hasn't had the best of times with the ball, Bumra. But when it mattered most, it was a must-win situation for India to make it 1-all in the 3-match series. He's bowled a brilliant over. Just 2 runs in the last over and 2 wickets. Bumra does it for India. India winning by 5 runs.
What a game. What a night to watch a T20 cricket. If you're an Indian fan, you should be really proud of your team. But the odds were against them. They lost the